Hi everyone, introducing an exciting Autodesk Instructables contest. It's the Off the Grid contest. So the last date for application is 31st August. And what are you getting out of it? You get a lot of gift cards. So you get 23 prizes of gift cards. So these are the prizes that is available. So you are supposed to create some Instructable, that is a DIY project. You have to document it with images, videos, and step-by-step instruction on how to make it. So they are looking for builds that rethink how everyday needs can be met through creative problem solving. This could mean renewable energy setups, water collection and filtration systems, low-tech cooking solution, composting designs, or anything that supports a lifestyle rooted in independence and resilience. Whether your project is fully off-grid or simply inspired by the mindset, the focus is on thoughtful, self-reliant design. So this contest is a chance to explore how making and building can reduce dependency on centralized systems while increasing adaptability. You might design something portable for remote environments, develop a backup system for emergencies, or create a permanent solution for off-grid living. From simple, clever hacks to more complex build, projects of all skill sets are encouraged. You can take a look at the resources around you, consider what you can create on your own, and start building a solution that works beyond the grid. So they have 4 total judges prizes, as I mentioned here. So it's a great opportunity for you. You can go ahead and submit your ideas or projects. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and for such exciting opportunities from around the globe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as IdeaMela. That will help you. Thank you very much.